Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to magnify your full screen on your Android or Samsung phone. Go to settings, click on accessibility, then vision enhancement, then scroll down to where you have magnification. Tap on that. Now you want to go ahead and first turn on the magnification shortcut because that's going to put the icon on the lower right hand side of your screen. Now click on the magnification type and you will see that you have the option that says full screen, and you also have the option that says allow switching between partial and full screen. So you can tap on each one of them depending on which one of the flexibility you want. But to enable the full screen, just tap on full screen, and then once you go ahead and click on the magnification icon on the lower right hand side, you will see that you have this blue box appear right around the entire screen, and you can easily move around your screen as you wish. Now let me turn this off. If you should click on the option that says allow between switching partial and full screen, and if you tap this little blue icon on the lower right hand side, this will allow you to switch between partial and full screen magnification. So as you can see, I now move it to the partial and I can move around my screen basically anywhere I want. And then once you want to go full screen again, you can press that little icon on the lower right hand side of the blue box. You have different size of magnification that you can do. You can put it to small here, a little bit bigger, and you can even maximize that to the full screen as you wish. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.